When it comes to increasing the value of your home, there are many renovation projects that can make a big impact. One of the most effective ways to boost the value and appeal of your property is by installing new windows. In Sumter, where the weather can range from hot and humid summers to cooler winters, the right windows can not only enhance the aesthetic of your home but also improve its energy efficiency and overall comfort. Here's how investing in new windows can increase your property value and benefit you in the long run. Enhanced curb appeal. The first thing potential buyers notice when they approach your home is its exterior, and windows play a significant role in how your house looks from the outside. Old, cracked, or outdated windows can detract from your home's curb appeal, making it appear neglected or in need of repair. On the other hand, installing new, stylish windows can give your home a fresh, modern look, enhancing its exterior and boosting its visual appeal. Whether you opt for sleek, contemporary designs or classic styles that match the architectural integrity of your home, new windows can create a lasting impression. The type of window frames, glass, and finishes you choose can also complement the overall style of your home, giving it a polished, inviting appearance. Improved energy efficiency. In Sumter, the climate can be demanding, especially during the scorching summer months when air conditioning is essential for comfort. Old, inefficient windows can be a significant source of energy loss, causing your cooling system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. This not only results in higher utility bills but also puts unnecessary strain on your HVAC system. By installing energy-efficient windows, you can drastically reduce heat gain in the summer and heat loss during the winter. Many modern windows come with energy-efficient coatings, double or triple glazing, and gas fills between panes that help regulate indoor temperatures. Not only will this lower your energy bills, but it will also make your home more attractive to potential buyers who are looking for energy-efficient features. Noise reduction. If your home is located near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas, you might experience a significant amount of noise pollution. Old windows with thin glass or gaps in the frame can let in unwanted noise, disrupting your peace and quiet. New windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, are excellent at reducing noise. This added benefit can be particularly attractive to buyers who value a quiet, serene living environment. Whether you're looking to block out the sound of traffic, neighbors, or outdoor events, new windows can significantly reduce noise infiltration, creating a more peaceful living space. Increased security and safety. Old windows can be a security risk, especially if the locks are broken or the frames are compromised. New windows come with modern, secure locking mechanisms that provide an extra layer of protection for your home. Additionally, modern windows are often made with stronger materials like laminated glass that are harder to break, making it more difficult for intruders to gain access to your property. If you live in an area where security is a top concern, updating your windows can provide you with added peace of mind, knowing that your home is safer. This increased security will appeal to buyers who prioritize safety in their purchasing decisions. Increased natural light and better views. New windows can brighten up your home by allowing more natural light to enter your space. The design and placement of windows can dramatically improve how light flows throughout your rooms, creating a more inviting and comfortable atmosphere. Not only does this reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, but it can also make your living spaces feel more expansive. In addition to more natural light, new windows can also improve your view. Replacing small, outdated windows with larger or strategically placed ones can give you a better perspective of the surrounding landscape. Whether you want to enjoy a beautiful view of the Sumter countryside or just want more light in your home, new windows can make a noticeable difference. Higher resale value. All the benefits listed above contribute to an increase in your home's overall value. Energy efficient, stylish windows improve curb appeal, lower utility costs, and provide security and comfort, all of which are desirable features for prospective buyers. When it's time to sell your home, you'll find that the investment in new windows will likely pay off, often with a significant return on investment. Buyers are willing to pay a premium for homes that are energy efficient, secure, and well maintained, and new windows make your property more competitive in the real estate market. Conclusion. Installing new windows is a smart investment for homeowners in Sumter looking to increase their property value. Whether you want to improve your home's curb appeal, reduce energy costs, enhance security, or enjoy a more comfortable living space, new windows can provide a wide range of benefits. Plus, they can make your home more attractive to potential buyers, ensuring that when it's time to sell, you'll get the best possible return on your investment.